Today, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth zoom-in effect on your video using CapCut, one of the easiest ways to instantly make your content more dynamic and engaging. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to control the zoom so you can guide your viewers' attention, add emphasis to important moments, and elevate the look of your edits. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open up CapCut and start with a fresh project. When you tap on New Project, CapCut brings up your phone's gallery. From here, go ahead and pick the video you'd like to work on. This is the starting point for any edit. And it's important to remember that whatever video you choose, make sure it's one you're happy to focus on for the effect. If you're filming something specific, like a product demonstration or a travel scene, having that visual in mind helps you plan where exactly you want your zoom to happen. Once you've selected your video, CapCut will load it onto the timeline, and you're ready to move to the next step. Now it's time to set up the beginning of your zoom effect. You'll want to move the playhead, that's the little line on the timeline, to the exact spot where you'd like the zoom to start. Think of this like marking the start of a camera move in a real-life shoot. If you're unsure, preview your video and pause at the moment where you want to draw extra attention. Maybe someone's about to say something important, or you want to highlight a specific object in the frame. Once the playhead is in position, look for the keyframe icon, which pops up as a diamond shape. Tapping this creates your first keyframe. Keyframes, in essence, are markers that tell CapCut where and when an animation, like a zoom, begins. Adding this initial keyframe is crucial because it locks in the starting look of your video before the zoom starts to happen. Next, move the playhead forward to the point where your zoom-in should finish. This is where the magic happens. With your playhead at the end point, use 2 fingers and gently pinch the preview screen apart, just like you would zoom in on any photo on your phone. As you enlarge the image, CapCut automatically adds a second keyframe at this point, so you don't have to search for any extra settings. This creates a smooth transition from the original frame into your zoomed-in shot. If you want the zoom to focus on a particular area, say someone's face or a product on the table, drag your fingers across the screen to reposition the zoomed-in window exactly where you want it. Take your time here. CapCut gives you a real-time preview, so you'll know instantly if you're hitting the spot you want. Don't worry if it feels a bit fiddly at first. Sometimes it takes a couple tries to get the zoom just right, and that's completely normal. And that's it. You've just added a professional-looking zoom using keyframes in CapCut. This technique is fantastic for making your videos more engaging, directing attention, or adding a cinematic feel, even if you shot the footage on your phone. Remember, you can always adjust the timing, positioning, or even change the zoom level if you watch it back and want to tweak things. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another CapCut effect you'd like to learn next. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, clear editing tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.